everybody, welcome to Boom City Breaks on Friday, July the 14th. It's 3:30 a.m. Central. We are still breaking autographed jerseys. This here is a 2-box break from Hit Parade Series 15 NBA. It is box 34 and 20. We did random team sales. You can see just to the left here. We have already randomized both customers and teams. We then alphabetized the customers, so everybody could see who they had a bit easier. Gave me ample opportunity to trade, and here we go. Boom! That is a Cunningham jersey, folks. Not even sure which Cunningham. Not familiar with it. I know I pulled them before, and I don't know why I'm drawing a blank on the name, but that is a 76ers jersey. That is a Cunningham 76ers jersey. God, need to say something better than that, folks. Who has the Philadelphia 76ers? That is a Riley. Wish it was a higher end hit for you there, Riley. Let us get on to box number 2. Whoops, sorry, I don't know why I wrote Philly. I meant to write Riley. It's a good thing I noticed that. There we go. Yep, there we go. Box 34, Walter Payton number. See if that brings us luck. Well, it's our second one of the night from this team, folks. That there is going to be obviously a Lakers jersey. Holy cow! It's the second O Neal tonight, guys. It's the second time we pulled Shaq tonight, guys. Other one was from Diamond Series, though. Yep, I did not recognize that. Yep, that is obviously a Lakers jersey. Y'all just gonna verify that. So who is the Lakers? Well, Riley, there you go, bud. You swept that one. Way to finish up strong. Riley's gonna take both those boxes. He bought about a third of the break, so yep, it should have hit at least something there. So that is going to wrap up those 2 boxes, folks. Have a good one.